This recipe for salsa chicken burrito filling makes a flavorful pulled chicken that works equally well for burritos, tacos, and enchiladas. It was submitted by All Recipes member Jubyfish, who notes that it also freezes well. Start by peeling and mincing 2 cloves of garlic, place 2 boneless, skinless chicken breast halves in a medium saucepan over medium-high heat. Add a 4-ounce can of tomato sauce and bring the chicken and sauce to a boil. Reduce the heat to medium and add a 1/4 cup of salsa, a 1 1/4-ounce package of taco seasoning, 1 teaspoon of cumin, the garlic, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Stir everything together. And let the sauce simmer for 15 minutes. Take the saucepan off the heat and, using 2 forks, pull the chicken into shreds. Return the saucepan to the heat, cover it, and continue to cook the chicken and sauce for another 5 to 10 minutes. The pulled chicken will start soaking up all the sauce and seasonings. Finally, add hot sauce to your taste. Stir everything together, and you have a great starting point to make a whole array of Mexican dishes. All Recipes member Foodie calls the burrito filling a great simple recipe with lots of taste. She recommends adding your favorite toppings for a meal-in-a-minute bowl, or combining it with rice and toppings and wrapping it in a tortilla for a delicious and hearty burrito.